Does your body feel sore, beat up, and it takes you 2 days before you can train again? If that sounds like you, your recovery might be compromised. And no, I'm not talking about taking an ice bath and stretching. Today I'm breaking down the top peptides people study for recovery, like BPC-TB, GLOW, and even some GHRH peptides that help you support deeper sleep and performance recovery. So stay until the end because I'm going to show you the most effective recovery stack, even if you feel like you've tried everything. And one of these peptides in specific works on recovery in a way most people have never actually heard of. So stay tuned for that one. Now, why does recovery matter? Primarily because you don't grow in the gym while you're training. You grow when your body starts to repair what's been done from the gym. Meaning, if your recovery is slow and trash, so will your progress. If your recovery, on the other hand, is fast, your strength, your muscle mass, and your fat loss will go up instantly. Your recovery is not something that is optional. It's the secret sauce. Now, let's talk about the peptide stack that everybody hears about, but most people actually don't understand. And that is BPC-157, the inflammation controller. BPC-157 is studied for 2 primary reasons. It may help reduce inflammatory pathways, which means you'll be in less pain and you'll be able to move better. It also supports gut health. And when your gut is healthier, your whole body recovers. So if you're someone who's got some compromised digestion and your recovery sucks, BPC could potentially be a good option for you to help resolve some of these issues. But BPC does have a partner in crime that helps take things a little bit further, and that is TB500. And TB500 is essentially studied for reducing system-wide inflammation, supporting tissue regeneration, and helping the body feel less tight and more mobile. So you can think of BPC as the focused repair tool and TB500 as the full system reboot. But if you're looking at stacking some other cosmetic changes such as better hair, better skin, and better overall wellness, the GLOW peptide might be the one for you. Now, GLOW works like a recovery blend, but with an additional ingredient, that being the GHKCU, which is a copper peptide. And now GHKCU, or copper, is essentially studied for some of the following reasons, such as increased collagen production. It can improve the quality of your skin. It can strengthen your hair and nails, and it can also support tissue repair. What the GLOW is essentially a combination of BPC-157, TB500, and GHKCU all in one peptide, such as this right here. So if you're someone who's looking for recovery and cosmetic benefits, look no further than taking GLOW. That will probably be something that you would want to look into to fit all of your needs in one. So all these peptides are good, but what about someone who's got compromised sleep? Well, that's where some of these GHRH peptides come in. Some GHRH peptides are CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin, and what they do is they actually help your body support natural release of growth hormone. And why does growth hormone matter, you ask? Well, for some of these key benefits, such as deeper sleep, better fat loss, better performance, and better tissue repair. And we all know at this point, or hopefully, that the majority of recovery is going to take place when you sleep. So adding in one of these GHRH peptides, which help improve sleep, well, you'll also have improved recovery as a consequence of that. So if you'll sleep better, you'll recover better. If you recover better, you'll grow faster. But which of these peptides is the right one for you? Here's a pretty simple and straightforward breakdown for you. If you feel like you're always inflamed, stiff, or tight, the BPC and the TB500 blend might be a good choice for you. If you want the benefits of the BPC plus the cosmetic effects, such as taking care of your skin, hair, and nails, then the GLOW peptide might be a good option for you. If you suffer from poor sleep and poor recovery, you might want to be someone who looks into the GHRH peptides. And if you want to complete your recovery across the board, you could even look into a combination of the 2 of them, such as the GLOW plus a GHRH peptide. Comment below what your go-to recovery peptide stack is, or which one you may be curious about, and I can go ahead and make an elaborate video on one of those. Now, let me show you the most popular recovery stack. Now, the stack that most people use, and I do have some of my own clients using this stack, would be a combination of the BPC-157 TB500, and the CJC-1295 Ipamorelin blend. Now, why this is a great stack: you're going to be less sore, you're going to have deeper sleep with better sleep quality, you're going to have better mobility, you're going to have faster recovery, and just overall better performance. It's essentially the full recovery upgrade. And here's the truth about these peptides. Peptides are going to essentially help your body by sending these recovery signals, but they're only going to work well if you're essentially supporting your body with a lot of the basics already. You want to make sure that you're having a proper diet. You want to make sure you're having an adequate protein intake. You want to make sure that you are sleeping adequately, or at least trying to, prior to the help of the GHRH peptide. You want to make sure that you're staying hydrated as well. You want to drink anywhere between 3 to 4 liters of water a day. You want to make sure that you are having some sort of movement in your day, whether that's weight training, a little bit of cardiovascular exercise, or just taking a certain amount of steps per day. So if you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future breakdowns on peptides, recovery, or performance. And again, comment below which peptide you would like me to make a video on next. I would love to hear what you guys think, and I would love to keep providing information for you guys.